sorry in advance for not uploading for like a month, but we want to travel, and yeah. Today we're gonna be reacting to Wolfie Raft's Distract. Go. By the way, no hate to Team Albo.
Very relevant facts. I think I'm gonna still put his name in the title though if these guys want to click me like that. Row! Man's not hot, not hot. I say man's not hot. Really, if you think about it, in a month or so, man's not hot. Man's is cold. Bruv, your act is getting old. Nigga bit off roll safe. Can you give a nigga back his flow? Fire in the booth. Nigga, you should retire in a booth. How you gonna follow up with that banger? You're not, but you should try and see the views. Is this dude a rapper or comedian? I'm confused. Shit, I'd be a rapper too if my comedy videos got no views. Listen, Michael Dapper, I'm really not a rapper, but ask me mad and you get views, so you I'm after. Can you go tell your minion that I don't fear him like Factor? But Wolfie's got the bars inside me, Z is no reactor. Big Shaq, pause. You a big bitch, nose like garden hose. You got a fire hose at your big lips. Mans didn't help out his boy. Man's like Erica Costo, hiss. I'm here to teach you a lesson. Man, no disrespect, Wolfie get dismissed. Man's is hot. Check the statistics. Check 'em. My clout higher than yours. Proof if you check the statistics. With the Lord as my witness. Take this out, you the misfits. Rice Gum said you irrelevant facts. Check the statistics. Man's is hot. Check the statistics. Check 'em. My clout higher than yours. Proof if you check the statistics. With the Lord as my witness. Take this out, you the misfits. Rice Gum said you irrelevant facts. Check the statistics.
Yeah.
No.
You thought Swayze baby wasn't gonna hop on the track? Michael Dapper can come get us. Ashley can come get us. But Team Albo?
You know Ryan Swayze? Do you?
Well, you're about to. Sean. PG in his vids. Real life, could give a fuck about the kids. I live with him, just telling how he is. It's your messy, it's your bitch. Allah didn't change us, you just stay the same. Big ass house, all you do is game. Probably stay in this house all winter. You a mini minter.
Listen, Chad with a J. Chad, you wanna run up on me? You do. Let's go and talk about views. Chad, let's go have a peek. Let's. Most viewed vids on a channel. Title, you guessed it, will fit. That's me. I make what you make in a month. Make it in less than a week.
Bongo, I'm on you. Give a fuck about a diet dude. Big nigga. Actually finishes his DIY giant foods.
Speaking of diets, Asney, you should go and try it too. We're big, but y'all bigger. Y'all just some giant dudes. Man's is hot. Check the statistics. My clout higher than yours. Proof if you check the statistics. With the Lord as my witness. Take this out, you the misfits. Rice Gum said you irrelevant facts. Check the statistics. Man's is hot. Check the statistics. My clout higher than yours. Proof if you check the statistics. With the Lord as my witness. Take this out, you the misfits. 100K likes and I'll go get rice. You can check the statistics. How does it feel when you hear my voice and you know you got body? When you look at your net worth, I'm stressed while I'm blowing my pants to hug. When your own boy jumps on the track, you niggas thought you guys could rob me? Facts. I'll say it before and I'll say it again till I'm dead. I can get on my way. Hey, fuck what you think I make bank. Hey, Alyssa and Rice and them banks. Hey, count my money with clout. Yeah, you irrelevant, now stay in your lane. Why you be hating on my fame? We changed for the better, you stayed the same. I could go on forever, I'll reframe. Man's is hot. Check the statistics. My clout higher than yours. Proof if you check the statistics. With the Lord as my witness. Take this out, you the misfits. Rice Gum said you irrelevant facts. Check the statistics. Man's is hot. I'm kinda hot. Check the statistics. Relevant. My clout higher than yours. Proof if you check the statistics. Really is. With the Lord as my witness. Take this out, you the misfits. Rice Gum said you irrelevant facts. Check the statistics. Man, you already know what time it is. Michael Dapper, aka Big Shaq, come back. I'm coming at your head top, Ryan.
Y'all didn't even know we had this, man.
Y'all didn't know we had this.
Only the beginning.
100,000 likes and I go get rice. You can check the statistics. Growl. King Wolfie. Let's get it.
Swayze, baby.
my opinion on this is that good rapping from Wolfie first off, and then, like I said, no hate to Tim Elbow, no hate to nobody. I'm just saying my opinions. I'ma leave. Fuck. Hold on. So, like I was saying, guys, no hate to Team Elmo, but Wolfie killed it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a fat thumbs up for your boy reacting to Wolfie Rap's Distract, and I'll leave channel with the link in the description. Go show my person love. Go. And also, I'm gonna leave David, Sean, Bungle, and Cam with the man, that's gonna be able to be like this. Leave a comment up below what you think for this Distract. Yeah, man, I'll leave the link in the description. Share, like, subscribe, and I just want you guys to know that this video is gonna be so long, so that's why I'm doing this. So yeah, man, I'm hoping you enjoyed the video, and I'm hoping you enjoyed the video, and as always, you're gonna grind to shine. Peace, like, subscribe.